Good morning, students. Hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to teach you maths class 4th. So all of you please open page number 13, 2.4 expanded form and short form. Okay. So today we will do the exercise of 2C of the same expanded form and the short form. So before starting, let's know what is expanded form and afterwards what is short form. So expanded form is a way of writing numbers to see the value of individual digits, right? So as you can see here, a number is written 322094. Yes, and here I have written the value of each digit individually. Yes, so expanded form means writing numbers individually to see the value, the place value and decimal values of the particular digit. Okay, so here as you can see, 3 lakhs plus 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 0 hundreds plus 9 tenths plus 4 ones. Yes, so the value of 3 is lakhs, value of 2 is 10,000, again the value of 2 is 2,000, value of 0 is hundreds, and value of 9 is tens, and value of 4 is ones. Next, so we are going to multiply 3 into 1 lakh plus 2 into 10,000 plus 2 into 1,000 plus 0 into 100 plus 9 into 10 and plus 4 into 1. What will get? We'll get 3 lakh plus 20,000 plus 2,000 plus 0 plus 90 and plus 4. Okay, now what we will get? We will get 322094, means 4 will be on ones place, 9 will be on tens place, 0 will be on hundreds, 2 will be on thousand, again 2 will be on 10,000 and 3 will be on lakhs. And what you are going to read this number? How you are going to read this number? 3,22,094. So this is the expanded form. Okay, I hope you understood. Again I am repeating what is expanded form. When a number is written as the sum of the place values of each given digits. Okay, sum of the place values of each given digits, like here 3 lakh plus 10,000s plus 2,000s plus 0 hundreds. Individually we have expanded each digit or not. Okay, so this is your expanded form. Now next is our short form. Now short form. Okay, now what is short form? The form we usually use to write. Okay, we generally write the number in short forms. Yes, like 5,000, 50,000. Okay, so when we write a number as a sum of the place values, its digits, the number is said to be in expanded form. And when we write a number using digits, okay, the number is said to be in short form. Okay, so here as you can see, expanded form is given and you have to write in short form. 70,000 plus 8,000 plus 100 plus 50 plus 9. Okay, and short form is 78,159. Okay, hope you understood expanded form and short form. Short form is very easy, very simple. The way we usually write the digits, we usually write the numbers, is known as short form, and expanded form is when we write the each value individually. Okay, now let's start the exercise 2C. Okay, now students, let's see question 1 or exercise 2C. Write the following numbers in the expanded form. So first question is 52,743. So how you are going to write in expanded form? 50,000 plus 2,000 plus 700 plus 40 plus 3. Clear? This is the expanded form of 52,743. Clear? All of you, open page number 13. Take out your pencil and start doing. Okay. Now question B. 2,72,631. So what will be the expanded form? 2 lakh plus 70,000 plus 2,000 plus 600 plus 30 plus 1. Clear? This is the expanded form of 2,72,631. Now question C. 33,40,239. Now let's see the expanded forms. Expanded form is 30 lakh plus 3 lakh plus 40,000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 9. So this is the expanded form of 33,40,239. Now question D. 1,43,681. So what will be the expanded form? 1 lakh plus 40,000 plus 3,000 plus 600 plus 80 plus 1. So this is the expanded form of 1,43,681. A to D I have given, and question E you have to do by yourself. Okay, it is for your practice. Now let's see question 2. Now your question 2 is write the following in the short form. Okay, so as you can see in your book, open, all of you please open page number 14, question number 2. So as you can see here, expanded forms are given and you have to write them in short form. Okay, so expanded form is 2 lakh plus 60,000 plus 3,000 plus 900 plus 2. So in short form you will write 2,63,902. Here, since 0 is there on the tens place, so we will write 0 here. Okay, all of you note down. Now question B is 5 lakh plus 3,000 plus 20 plus 7. Okay, now how are you going to write in short form? 5 lakh 3,000 and 27. 5,03,027. Here again on the place of 10,000 and on the place of 100, 0 is there, so we will write 00 here. Okay, so it is 5,03,027. Okay, question C is 3 lakh plus 80,000 plus 70 plus 5, and short form of this expanded form be 3,80,075. Okay, again here 0 is written. Why? Because on the hundreds place 0 is there. Okay, so this is the short form of this expanded form. 3,80 plus 075. 3,80,075. Next, question D. Question D is 90,000 plus 500 plus 600 plus 3. Okay. So short form will be 90, 05, 603. Okay. So this is your 90 lakh 5,603. Okay. Next, expanded form is 40 lakh 8,000 plus 70,000 plus 500 plus 9. Okay. So how you are going to write 40 lakh 8 plus 8 lakh plus 70,000 plus 500 plus 9. So it like this: 48, 70, 509. That is 48 lakh 70,509. Okay. 48 lakh 70,509. Okay. All of you note down this, and E1, E I have given, F part is your homework. Okay. It's for your practice. Now see question number 3. So your question 3 is fill in the blanks. In this, short forms are given along with the expanded form, but in expanded form few values are not given. Okay, so you have to fill in the blanks of not the values which are not given. Like question A is 87,560. So in expanded form, how we are going to write? First of all, 80,000 plus dash is given. So on the what will come? 7,000 plus 500 plus 60. Clear all of you? So this is the expanded form of 87,560. Means 80,000 plus 7,000 plus 500 plus 60. Now question B. Question B is 3,08,654. This is the short form, and expanded form is 3 lakh plus blank is given in the book. You can see plus 600 plus 50 plus 4. So what will come in this blank? 8,000. Okay, 8,000 will come in this blank. So this will be 3 lakh plus 8,000 plus 600 plus 50 plus 4. Okay, so this is the expanded form of 3,08,654. Okay. Now question C. In question C, again 7,60,581 is given, and in expanded form 7 lakh plus 60,000 plus dash plus 80 plus 1. So what will come? So as you can see, 7 lakh plus 60,000 plus 500. In this blank what will come? 500 plus 80 plus 1. Okay. Question D is 1,54,786. Okay. So 1 lakh expanded form, 1 lakh plus blank is given plus 4,000 plus blank plus 80 plus 6. So 1 lakh plus what will come here? 50,000. Yes, 50,000 is there, plus 4,000 is given already, plus in this 700. Okay, as you can see, how 700? 7 is on the hundreds place or not? 1s, 10s, 100, है ना? Plus 80 plus 6. So this is the expanded form of 1,54,786. All of you, please note down. This is question third, A to D, and E and F you do by yourself. Okay. Hope you understood today's topic. All of you do the homework at home and do the practice also of the given questions. Okay, thank you.